Hi everyone, welcome to another of our USA vlog where we head to the second park of the Universal Studios. We are Jennifer and Dion, the traveling Jodi. And this time we have Dion with us also. Unfortunately, we had to wear the Mickey t-shirts because we had planned to go to Disney, but Disney got cancelled because it's overbooked. So if you want to go to Disney, please make sure you check it online. Because the park is operating on 2/3 capacity, so our Disney shirts we had to use in Orlando, in Universal Studios Orlando. That's why the shirts. But nevertheless, we decided to go for a 2-day park. So yesterday we went to the Universal Studios. Today we are going to the
Yesterday we went to
Universal Studios. Today
Islands of Adventure.
and Adventure. Yes, it has a lot of water rides. Just got excited to get wet in the rooms.
Yeah, very much.
Let's see how it goes. As you can notice, the entire place is so energetic, so lively. A lot of things, a lot of sights here and there, a lot of attractions to try out, thrill rides, 3D rides, and lots more coming up in this vlog. So stay tuned till the end, and also like, share, and subscribe to the channel Traveling Jodi. So today is day 2 of our Universal Studio Park admission, and we are going to Islands of Adventure, which is on the left hand side as you enter from the main entrance or the security gate entrance. You can see the globe, Universal Studios globe, that's the Universal Park. So the other side will be here, will be the other one. So I'm just standing outside it. It's a nice vibe, it's a different vibe actually. More of greenery here and Islands of Adventure. How the adventure begins. So first we head down to get the guide, because yesterday we struggled without the map. With the map it's quite easy, and yay, we got the map.
Yeah, finally.
And always please download the Universal Studios app. So Jessica and Dion had gone for the Hulk ride as well as the Fear Fall. It was amazing, and she shares her experience over here. So Jessica, how was the experience in the 2 rides?
Oh, the roller coaster was, oh my god, it was amazing.
Did you get scared?
I was scared actually in the waiting line, and when I sat I was slightly scared, so I kept my eyes closed. Then I tried to open, I closed it again. But it was amazing, that energy, the thrill, the way it just takes you around. No, I didn't scream. I was just smiling all throughout because I was enjoying a lot. And the second ride was actually nothing. They just take you fast up. And
Because
then
you went to the first ride, that's why.
Yeah, first ride. So you should go to the roller coaster first, and then go to the fear fall. But it was good. I like both the rides. I was happy I went for the second one also.
So we're going to go for the Spider-Man ride. This ride is an interesting one. It's a water ride. You sit on a raft where about 10 of you can be seated comfortably, 8 to 10 people. But be prepared to get drenched completely because there are water shooters from the top. There are even people shooting water from the top through water cannons, and every one of you get wet. So I recommend you to remove your shoes. There is a place in the center to keep your shoes and belongings like your bags and stuff, and if you can, try to wear your swimming clothes over here. There is a place to dry outside, but then I recommend you to get your clothes that will get dried quickly. And after we get out from the ride, there are few dryers where you can dry yourself for $5. This is the King Kong ride. It's a 3D ride. I don't think it's good. It's a little scary, but it's good scary. It's nice and thrill and fun. And all of these rides, you can actually keep your belongings in a locker, which is very convenient. And they all insist that you do so that you don't have your keys or anything falling around. Now we enter into the most interesting part of the entire thing, that is which is the Hogsmeade. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a treat for all the Hogwarts fans. The area is beautifully set in. I mean, they've done it so well. You get the entire feel. You even get the butterbeer. I think that's something quite famous in Hogsmeade. But it's beautiful just to stroll around and get the feel. Plus there are souvenir shops as well to buy your wands, to buy your witch's hat. I don't know what it's called, but then yeah, a lot of interesting things in this part of the Universal Studios Islands of Adventure.
Good evening. I'm the Hogwarts Sorting Hat. There's nothing I can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be.
the